What is up, everybody? It's your girl, Nikki B, of course. And I just wanted to make a live real quick because I know you guys have seen my beautiful, colorful bottles of this juice. And I just wanted to give y'all a little bit of why I chose Drink to Shrink. Okay, so first of all, I'm sure you guys know that I enjoy being healthy, right? If you've been watching my page for the last maybe 2.5, 3 years, I'm sure you've noticed that I drink a lot of water. I eat healthy. I enjoy life, right? And that's what it's about. So with Drink to Shrink, this is just something that I was able to add to my wonderful lifestyle, right? So when I got started in October of 2020, within the first 11 days, I lost 12 pounds. Okay, so why did I choose Drink to Shrink? That's why. Okay, because right at the beginning, I saw results. So it was just a no-brainer for me. So moving a little bit forward till now, I have been able to help so many people do the exact same thing, right? I absolutely love helping people. That is just who I am, genuinely, right? So why not share something that's working for me? So here we are in February of 2021, right? So now I have a 4-week new challenge for your body so that you can lose 20 pounds within 30 days, the 4-week program, right? So with that, you'll get every single thing that you need. You'll get your 4 weeks of Drink to Shrink. You'll get a whole entire kit. I will give you everything that you need to be successful with your weight loss journey. So of course, I will have to show you my beautiful bottle. This is a Blueberry Blast. This is one of the most popular flavors, right? And this is a gallon of Drink to Shrink, right? So you would drink 2 to 3 8-ounce bottles every single day, and you will begin to see a change, a drastic change, right? Because it's going to naturally clean out your body. This is 9 natural herbs. This doesn't have all of those other chemicals and different things that a lot of the the juices and the potions and everything else, the pills and everything else that you have to take in order to lose your belly fat, the toxins out of your body, the poisons that we have had locked up in our system for years. Those things will work for so long, and then you find yourself back in the same position. I'm sure that a lot of you have had that issue. Drink to Shrink is amazing, right? This will clean out your system naturally. It's a gentle herbal cleansing juice, you guys. Okay, absolutely love it. So where is my juice at? Oh, okay. So here's another one. This is the lemon berry. This is another favorite that everyone loves, and it absolutely is life changing, you guys. Like, I'm sure you see my posts 24/7 because this is what I do. This is not a hobby. This is what I love to do. And obviously you can see that I have my own, this is my own personal brand. So why did I choose Drink to Shrink? Because it allows me to be at home with my family and help other people, right? So who else wants to start something and actually find that it works, right? Because I don't put my name on anything that doesn't work. Here's one of my logos. I don't put my name, my stamp, my signature on anything that does not work. Drink to Shrink is absolutely amazing, right? I have green drinks that is helping people stabilize their blood sugar, their blood pressure. Not too long ago, we introduced Drink to Shrink to Lil Boosie, and his A1C is dropping, right? So if everyday people and even famous people are finding that this juice is helping them, it's amazing, right? I believe in what I do, and only thing I ask you to do is just check out my page and reach out to me, right? I'm here. This is what I do. My goal is to help by the end of this month, 96 people, right? And every single month, my goal is 48. I have a VIP first 48 group, okay? Core first 48 for the people who really want to get healthy from your head to your toe, mentally, physically, spiritually, right? Because I believe in the Heavenly Father. You see, my shirt says just God, because without Him, we're nothing. So in order for us to really get healthy and have true wealth, our health is our wealth, right? So with that, you guys, thank you so much for hopping on my live. I just wanted you guys to see my face and hear my voice, and just know that I am here for you. I just wanted to share real quick why I chose Drink to Shrink, and I hope you do too. You guys have a wonderful evening. Talk to you soon.